This lecture is about the transition tab, that how we move to the next slide, what will be the effect of the transition, will there be any sound, will there be any delay, all of it in just one tab. We'll begin with our lecture by going to the lecture folder 2.5. This folder contains a presentation of named Transition Tab Practice. We'll open it by double-clicking it. This presentation contains 4 slides. In the first 2 slides, we already have inserted the transitions, and we'll try to insert transitions in the rest of the 2 slides. For this, we'll go to the transition ribbon. Transition ribbon contains features like preview option, which enables us to view the transition of our current slide. Then we have a collection of transitions. In order to view this collection, we'll click this More button. This collection contains a number of transition styles. Some of them have just been included in PowerPoint 2016 and are totally new. You should try them all. We can use the effect option to change the style of our transition. Then we have the timing section. In it we have options like whether we want to have sound and a list of built-in sounds, what will be the duration of the transition, or do we want to apply all these changes to all slides. Then we have advanced slide options, that will a mouse click trigger a slide transition, or will there be a delay between the transition and the trigger. We'll now try to insert transition in our slide number 3. We'll select it and go to the transition collection, select a transition style, change its effect. We can change any of these settings in the timing section, but for now we'll keep them as they are. Similar to what we did with slide 3, we'll also try to insert transition style to our slide number 4. We'll select it and go to the collection, select a transition style. In the sounds option, we'll click this arrow to open a drop down, select camera sound, increase the duration to 3 seconds. Now when we go to the preview tab to see our transition for this slide, we'll see all the changes we made before in action. And this slide on transition does produce the sound of camera shutter. Well, this sums up our lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture.